On this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Shopify CLI on your Windows machine step by step. Let's get started. We're gonna go to step 1, which is to install Git if you don't have it already. So you're gonna click on this link right here. I want to open it in a new tab so I can be able to come back to this page. And here it opened. You're gonna click here to download. There should be a pop-up, then click save. Should take a couple of seconds. Once it's done, just click on open here. Then next. Okay, once it's done, just untick this and click finish. Now you can close this tab because we are done installing Git. Now we're going to step number 2, which is to install Node.js. So when I click on this, open it in a new link as well. Then you're gonna click on download Node.js and click save. After 2 seconds, it should be done. Then click on open here. Then click next, accept, next, install. Finish. Now we're gonna close this tab because we are done. Okay, step number 3 is to install Shopify CLI via npm. So since we already installed Git and Node.js, we should be ready to go. So let's open up CMD. I have my CMD open up here on the left, but to open it up, it's very simple. Just click on the Windows key, then search for CMD, then click on it. It will open and show something like this. So we're gonna take our first command, copy this. I'm gonna paste it here, then click enter. If everything is well installed, now you should see that the command will start working. Give it a couple of seconds for it to install. Okay, here it says it's added 26 packages. You should be done installing. Now we're gonna go to step number 4, which is to verify if Shopify is installed. We're gonna copy this, click copy, then I'm gonna paste it, command V. Then if Shopify is installed, it will show a version right here. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next videos of Shopify CLI tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.